Alright guys, so today I want to compare the sounds of both of these Hall Effect keyboards. This is the Akko Mod 007B HE, and this is the Meletrix Boog 75. So this isn't a review for this keyboard. I will do one soon, but I just want to compare the sounds on these. You guys can decide what's better, but before I do the sound test, I just want to talk about it a little bit. So the Boog 75 is really consistent towards the whole keyboard. Like you could tell every single key sounds good. So on this board, it's not really like that. Like this spacebar is horrible, and then the function row isn't that good, but then these alpha keys sound really good. So I don't know what's up with that. Both these boards are completely stock, no mods, but also these boards are different. This is a OSA profile keycaps, and this is similar to Cherry. I'm not sure the exact profile. And they also might be different materials. This is, I think, is double shot. I'm not sure what the material this is. And they use different switches. Akko cream yellows. These are Gateron. So the difference in sound is obviously going to be different. They do both have steel plates and aluminum cases, though. So there is going to be a difference, but I think it's really up to you guys on preference which one sounds better. I definitely think the Boog is way more consistent, but I really do like the alpha keys on this keyboard. I wish the stabilizers and the function row sounded as good, but yeah, let me just give you guys a full sound test and you guys can decide.